cool. You've got a Sprunky meal. But first, why not try some of this special sauce? Let's start with a little drizzle. Ooh, I think things are about to get spicy. This pop has lost its fizz. Maybe that's because it's blocks. And look who's here, our Sprunky friends. Of course, there's some assembly required. This meal doesn't look too happy. Well, at least you still get a toy. It's a game book, and we gotta save Pinky. Guess we're not the only ones with Sprunky on the menu. But it looks like the customer's full. Well, his loss is our gain, especially with this vacuum. Uh-oh, I think we cleaned the plate too soon. But now it's time to shake things up. Ooh, it looks like a lollipop. And it's the best flavor, all of them. Look, there's even a prize inside, a key. It looks like it's gonna be a great day. Of course, things can always change. Ooh, Mr. Sun, guess someone has their eye on you. And it looks like he wants to return the favor. But I think we should get things under control. Wonder Woman would be so proud. Besides, Mr. Sun just needs his medicine. But you could still use some color. And what's better than a golden glow? Glitter. Okay, a makeover like that deserves a key. Careful, it's terrible to waste good waste. But this looks like a job for rubber gloves. Hey, there's a familiar face in there. Well, half of one. In fact, a whole bunch of our friends are here. And it looks like we gotta help them find their better half. Just be careful crossing those wires. You know, I think a marker will work just as well. It should be easy, just match by color. Of course, we can still have some fun. After all the best roller coasters have loop-de-loops. Okay, we've collected all the faces. Now just add water for a quick soak. This key will take us over the rainbow. Looks like we're gardening. Hope you've got a green thumb. But don't worry, it's okay if you don't. Something tells me a little green's coming our way anyway. Just add some water and give things time to grow. Didn't I tell you? But someone can use a haircut. A gardener knows the importance of pruning. Looking good, Veneria, but you could use a little color. In fact, Let's get something to really help perk you up. Wait, hold on a sec. What is this stuff? Nuclear waste? It's supposed to be fertilizer. Don't worry, I'm sure we can fix things. I'm sure we can find some sort of antidote. Here, this stuff might work. What you need is a quick spritz. You'll be good as new. Besides, green really is your color. Especially when it comes in key form. Now it's time for a little screen time. But first, we're gonna need an adapter. Ratty's got just what we need, I hope. One of these spikes has to be just the thing. Things are always in the last place you look. Time to get plugged in. Oh, hello, computer. You have one chance? To do what? Save Sprunky? Find a key? At least we get a token to help. Hope you've got some cat scratch fever. Okay, it's nice we're finding familiar faces. But remember, we need to find that key. We've found it. And we're out of here. Ooh, it's lunchtime. How about some greens? Oh, delicious broccoli. Healthy and looks like trees. But I guess they're hard to keep down. We hear you. Everyone needs variety. So how about we go fishing? Ah, who needs worms? Slime's even stickier. Still, I'm almost tempted to throw some things back. Either way, all we need's a good recipe. They just need some time in our oven. Sushi? That must be some oven. Especially since sushi's served cold and raw. Either way, he likes it. And here's your tip. Next up, we gotta make our own maze. But first, we need to find some supplies. Lots of emphasis on the fine part. Ooh, red paint. That's a good start. Looks like we need 2 more things. A plug. We're almost done. One more thing. Aha! A blank sheet of paper. Their powers combined make a printer. But the mixing fun isn't over yet. Throw things in and get something new. Like this cute toy ambulance. But it still needs something to drive on. Okay then, one road coming up. Place it where the ambulance can reach it. We're gonna need more turns. Of course, a maze needs dead ends. We reached our patient, but we still need something. Like scissors for all this twine. Look, Oaxis has got our next key. Our Sprunky friends look a little washed out. Don't worry, our emotion friends can help. They always make the world a colorful place. Now, who could use a little disgust green? Here's looking at you, Oaxis. Next up is Joy's bright sunny yellow. I think this will suit you, Simon. Feeling blue? Sadness has got you covered. You just know cyan is Sky's color. Flip them over to see how they look. Looking good. And so does this key. Ooh, clear. I think we found them all. Don't worry, Pinky. We'll get you out of there. Aw, it was all worth it just to see that smile again.
Oh, that's the secret behind Rainbow Goo. Let's find its perfect spot. Push the tail and see the magic. Candy unicorns, enough to share. This girl's got a hook full. Always handy to have a little buddy around. Mind where you tread. Well, at least your hands stay clean. But if you don't have a unicorn, create one, sketch it out. And cut holes for legs to fit. Let's take it for a spin. And strum a tune while we're at it. Next, a toilet. Surprise awaits. Looks like we're drilling our way in. A little unicorn inside? How neat. Truly surprising. Not what I'd meant, poor Lollipop. I know, grab a toy toilet.
Hey.
Perhaps transform it into a unicorn. Perfect spot for your lollipop. Plushies chilling in the fridge? That ought to keep them fresh. Uh-oh, looks like it needs a lance. Hey, feels like there's something inside. Your ponies have the oddest hideouts. Well, the gang's all here. Ooh, Pinkie Pie! Clear a jar. Fill it with water and glitter. Mostly water. Dip that little pony in. Seal with a cork. Give it a good shake. Unicorn diapers needed. Still, they're kind of cute. Give them a squeeze. Another unicorn and... This one's sporting grand wings. Don't be envious. Get crafting. Simply pour melted candy. tape. Swirl it like soft serve strawberry. Stick on a mug, wings, and a spike. Still pretty sweet. Oops! Watch where you stick that. Your chewy stuck there. Your space, your rules. Just hope your squishy doesn't copy your bad moves. While we're at it, got any gum? Better yet, a balloon. Twist it up like a mini bag. Got gum? Even cooler, a balloon. Shape it like a tiny purse. Pop a friendly face on top and blow a big bubble. Whoa, that's some elastic unicorns. In fact, stretch out the entire rainbow. Just watch where you fling them. Thanks, but we'll craft our own. Add lights in a pop tube. 2 halves equal a complete unicorn. Now time for the twist. Cash? Perfect for our pop purse. Toss in your fave accessories. It pops. Goes with everything, too. Of course, paper works, too. Make some fans and bind them together. Need some horsey vibes. Release the rainbow and enjoy your fresh wallet. Those fans come in handy on hot days. Unwrap your gift, it's a unicorn. What else? This one might sport wings, but prefers hoofing it. Strut your stuff, little unicorn. Guess she's not into sharing. No prob. A TP roll will do. Just add some legs. Voila! A rocking horse! Correction, a rocking unicorn. Let the good times rock and roll. Bobble mastery. Let's fill the room with bubbles. Just keep your bubbles in check. Oops, spilled your drink. Good thing we've got a straw. Snip it up. Chop them into bits and stick them on tape. Roll them up tight. Add another straw to the back. You've got a unicorn bubble blower. Great coverage, but that phone needs a makeover, pronto! Our trusty unicorn mold. Fill with hot glue. Your phone's new mascot is born. Add some bling before it feels lonely. A makeover, perhaps? Almost edible. Yep, definitely needs a unicorn touch. Notice the theme, huh? Much improved. Now show it off to your pals or, text. Whoa! Look at these wobbly duckies. The gang's all here. It's like hugging a cloud, seriously. Maybe I shouldn't have said squish out loud. Hey, contain your gooey mess, buddy.
Ew.
Into the mini unicorn mold it goes. And voila, unicorn-shaped treats. She's always conjuring rainbows. Chill out, we can whip up more if needed. Start by blitzing cookies in a blender. Next, pour it onto a tray. Unwrap heaps of candies. Roll them up and twist them into spirals. And ta-da! A fresh batch of rainbow swirls. This feels like deja vu. But hey, new jelly! That's one sweet little horn you've got there. Especially when it's stuffed. But let's take it up a notch. And by notch, I mean sprinkles. Time for the taste test. And it passes with flying colors. But not all of them are jelly-filled. Some are packed with powder. And by powder, I mean bubblegum. Ah, so adorable! But classic horses are timeless. Still, who can resist a makeover? Let's finish that haircut. And drizzle on some melted chocolate. Time for a hooves makeover. Let's add some sparkle to those tootsies. But don't forget the fresh mane. We need a rainbow explosion! Lots of it! This pony's good enough to nibble on. And I bet she will too. Wow, a squishy unicorn. Let's inflate it. Wait, don't. Oh no, you just had to burst her bubble. Well, if you can't beat them, join them. Slice up another squishy unicorn. And stuff it with sprinkles and lemonade. I think she's had her fill, literally. Uh-oh, looks like a leak. But hey, she's got plenty to go around. Watch out, unicorn, and you too! Oh no, you're flat. No worries. We'll pop you back up in no time. Let's create 2 unicorns and stuff them. With sprinkles, then sandwich them together. But let's shake out the excess filling. Come on, save some for the cupcakes. Seriously, there's plenty to share. Ah, the jelly unicorn, the royal gummy highness. Even if it occasionally pops out? Well, they won't pop themselves. So that's where ribbon candy comes from. And I guess that's where it ends up. Eyeball? I know just who needs it. Bright-eyed and bushy-maned. Time to dig in. Remember, the eye's the treat too. Jelly doesn't stick around long here. Oh, a blender. Wonder what's brewing? Let's see. Cheese, a dash of color? Beats grating by hand for sure. Look at all those hues. But nothing beats grilled cheese! A rainbow blast, and we're still crafting. Now for the grand finale, the cheese pull. Even unicorns love instant noodles. If it fits, it stamps perfectly. That's the stamp of approval. Of course, instant noodles are meant to be eaten. But let's add some color to them. Now add water and let's get cooking. They weren't kidding about instant. Quick in, quick out! Time to take them for a whirl. Wonder if they'll keep their color. Heat it, mold it back. And we're back to basics. Into the bag they go. No point crying over cake mishaps. Hold on, there might be a fix. When life messes up your cake, time for some cake pop magic. A unicorn cake pop with a floral crown. And it's absolutely delicious. We'll need some syrup, quick. But first, let's create a pocket. Fill it with melted chocolate. Chocolate, syrup, frosting. It's a muffin with a little egg on the side. A unicorn chocolate explosion. Time for a hot cocoa bath. Thanks for the marshmallows. Feels like Christmas in July. Look, a marshmallow rainbow. Everything's turning out rainbows. Not the ice cream and the cone, too? Oops. Maybe we can make it right. Add some strawberries and cream in a bag. Seal it tight. Cream's in, now for the ice. Shake it up until it's blended. Soon it's all mixed together. Let's make a giant scoop. But let's wrap it up, shall we? It's all about the presentation. Delicious. But remember, you still owe him something. Hungry much? They're even munching on sticks! This melon's putting up a fight, but not for long. Let's feast! Wait, what's that? Silly Dolly, grab those cookie cutters. Because if we knew you were coming, we would have baked you a cake. Don't forget berries. And sprinkles. All you need now is a candle for a wish. Uh-oh, A's got a tummy ache. Oh no, there's a doll inside. But she still needs a head. Attach angel hair to hot dogs. Give it a vibrant red color. All she needs now is a face. But I think she could use a trim. It's time for some gardening. Plant a seed and watch it grow. Well, I didn't see that coming. We'll show him and make a new plant out of chocolate. Sure. It's tempting to eat. But we're making a mouthful. A big tree, complete with cotton candy leaves. Enjoy it while it lasts. Didn't I tell you? Jelly worms just love hide and seek. Why don't we place it in a pastry bag? And start making some shapes! Look! They're grimace marshmallows! Your hot cocoa has never looked better. I wonder which one's got the worm. Be careful with those scissors. Quick, we gotta save her. But this gadget doesn't just save dolls. It's also great for making donuts. Just give it a good squeeze. And don't forget to flip them. Now they're ready for some frosting. Oh, and feathers? Oh, I see. This donut's hitting the pool. This is why you bring food out for guests. Well, we can always make more laces. Just need something nice and long. And these ones are extra gummy. Looks like we're just getting started. Cover every last inch in candy. Just make sure there's some left over for snack time. Shark needs a muzzle. Your poor phone. It always pays to make a backup. Just need some candy and chocolate. When it's ready, it comes right out. You know, maybe that shark was onto something. Besides, we need room for the camera. Oh no, think of the ice cream. At least the cone's okay. It could use a dip. Add it to a cupcake with a biscuit. Soon we've got a new pair of heels. And they're delicious. And they're a flavor explosion. Hope you prefer your cake well done.
Ew.
Let's kick off with some mini dough. Who needs cake? We're crafting a pie, a pizza pie. Who wants a slice? This recipe is straight from the other mother. She snagged it from that gingerbread witch. It's a pie that resembles a face! And the finishing touch, button eyes. Bake it until the crust is flaky. Should be almost ready.
Ooh.
Now it's time for the taste test. What? No whipped cream? Now that's spooky. A lollipop holder? Well, it's got some precision. Let's melt it with gummy bears. Now add some fruit to a stick. Give it a dip and a quick rinse. Could use a little more. After all, with the right toppings, this lollipop transforms into a unicorn. Look at the size of that lipstick. Somebody's inside. They've got something for us. A gadget sealed with a kiss. Let's use it to create numerous tiny drops. Up simultaneously. Just add water. Now scoop out some roe. For our candy sushi.
Ooh, wow.
What cute dolls. Why don't we see what makes them tick? Ooh, they got Skittles on the brain. They're going in our waffle maker. Wait till you see them cook. Now they're ready for icing. It looks like it's got an itsy bitsy. Teeny weeny polka dot bikini. Now these aren't your regular eggs. See? They're filled with sand. Now let's fill it up with gelatin. Crack the shell for a rainbow jelly egg.
Ow.
A shark? Well, they can come from eggs. Free money, my two favorite words.
Ooh.
Place it in a zip bag. And dip it in batter. Now let's fry a bunch up. Once they cool, add some icing. And some candy glitter. Crack it open and see what's inside. Ooh, an emerald! Now where'd we put that Benjamin Franklin? There he is. Always a pleasure.